Welcome. Today we are looking at the IMOU Cell 2. This is a 4 megapixel outdoor security camera. This was very kindly sent to me by IMOU. They were also kind enough to provide a 20% discount code on the Amazon store for you guys. This code applies to all regular price products of IMOU Direct store and is valid until 31st December 2022. I will link that in the description box below along with the link for this camera if you want to pick it up or if you want to pick any other IMOU product up. IMOU did not pay me for this review. However, I do get to keep the camera after the review. Before we start, if you find this video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section and subscribe to watch more reviews. 4 megapixel, smart full color night vision, 100% wire free, rechargeable battery, human detection, weatherproof, motion activated spotlight, two-way talk, Wi-Fi enabled, micro SD card. You have the option of cloud service as well, but you have to pay for that. It's free for 7 days, then after that you'll have to pay for it. This is a motion based camera, so it won't record 24/7. As soon as it picks up motion, it will start recording. Once the motion has gone, it will stop recording. Some more information on this side. QR code there for the app. It runs on the IMOU Life app. The first thing, we get some paperwork, a mounting template, some important reminder information, some more paperwork, camera quick start guide. It's in different languages. Some mounting hardware, micro USB cable, mounting bracket, the removable battery, and as it said on the box, it's a 6,000 mAh battery. It's got the charging port there and an indicator there. When you're charging it, it will stay red, and when it's fully charged it will turn green. It's nice to see a removable battery, because if you've got the camera mounted somewhere high, rather than taking it down every time it needs charging, you could just remove the battery. The second thing, if the battery is faulty on the camera, rather than changing the whole camera, you could just replace the battery. And then the camera itself, the camera is IP65 and it has a night vision range of 10 meters. That's the spotlight. That's the reason they call it color night vision, because that will light up. We've got an LED indicator there, speaker, that's the lens, that's the sensor light, the speaker, charging port. Where I've got my thumb, that's where the QR code is, mounting thread, this will remove that, so it's got a lock off and a lock on sign there. So if you just twist it that way, just pull it off there. And we have the reset button here, micro SD card slot, and then the battery will fit in there. Okay, so I already had the app, I've opened it. Now I'm going to the plus icon, scan QR code. The QR code is at the back. Now it's giving me directions to open the bottom cover. I've done that. Insert the battery. I'll do that now. I'll put the micro SD card in first and then I'll put the battery in. Oh no, the SD card is already in here. Yeah, it does have a 32 GB micro SD card. Put the battery in, which will go that way. That's in. Okay, next. Press the reset button. Okay. Ensure that the LED light turns green. Okay. Wait until it flashes. Next. Okay, I'll put the cover back on. Just put that on. Put it on and twist it. Here we go. Okay. Okay, let's see the color of the light. It's green. Okay, the light's flashing green. It's going to connect to the camera's hotspot. Just put the password in. Okay, device added. Congratulations, a free trial of cloud storage is available. Maybe later. And there we are connected. I really like the IMOU app. It's nice and simple to use. As you can see there, we are live. A quick look at the app. So the top here, it's got play, pause. The one next to play, pause. If you have more cameras, you could look at them. HD or standard definition, leave in HD. Audio, I'm not going to press that because I'll get feedback, I'm too close. That will turn the screen around. At the bottom we have snapshot, speaker, record, siren. Push that. It gives you a countdown from 10 seconds to 0 and it isn't that loud. That's the spotlight. If I just turn it that way, you could see it there. I will show you some footage with the spotlight on and off. Then if I click the gear cog, that's information regarding the camera, battery life. Cloud storage, I don't have that. All recordings, that's cloud recording, and then the recording on the SD card. Human detected. Auto snapshot custom. Off. Notifications. Detection. We've got smart motion detection, human detection. You could schedule a time as well when you want the detection to come on. We've got motion sensitivity. Human detection sensitivity. It's on 2 at the moment, we'll leave it on that. General zone. So this is a good one. If I colour the box in. Now that part around the box, it's the motion zone. Anything outside of that, anything can pass by, it won't send me a notification. But anything that passes the motion zone, which is coloured orange, it will send me a notification. It's a good one that. Let me exit out. If I back out of that. Then we've got cloud storage. Of course, I don't have cloud storage. Local storage. It's very important to format your SD card. I'm going to format mine now. Battery level. Okay. Performance. Video recording resolution 1080p, recording length 60 seconds. We've got spotlight. Then we've got siren. Okay, that's why we're low before, because the message popped up and it said it's loud, but I thought it's not that loud. It's because it's a number 3. You could turn it up to number 5. We've got audio record. Let's go to more. Status LED. So that indicator, you could turn that off if you want. Image rotation. If you mount the camera the other way around, you could rotate it around. And then delete device. Nice simple app to use. Let's pick up detection again. Okay, let's have a look at some daytime and nighttime footage. There you go, that was the IMU Cell 2. I showed you nighttime image with the spotlight on as well. Notification you could hear coming through, that were the camera picking up human detection. It's really fast at picking motion up. The camera wakes up really quick. The image quality is good, although the image quality that you guys got to see was slightly reduced because YouTube put their compression on it. But overall, it's a decent camera. I mean, IMU, I've been using their products for a while now and I've been happy with them. I'm happy with the app, because majority of the time you've got the camera, but then these cameras rely on an app, and if the app isn't as good, like you've got to go through sub menus to find stuff, the overall user experience isn't as good. But with IMU, the app's really good and the product quality is good as well. So I'll link it down below if you want to pick this up. I hope this video was helpful to someone. If it was, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section, and subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.